Is Louis Delgado. I am the project lead on the Qualtrics YouTube tracker for our Capstone II class, and this is our project. Currently, the issue was that Qualtrics doesn't really have a tool to validate that if students were watching videos that were provided to them on surveys by, for example, their teachers. So the time spent on the page doesn't really equal the actual engagement that the student has. The professor doesn't really know if the students are actually taking their time to watching the videos and like learning the content that they need to learn for example, the questions or just for the class in general, and therefore they can't really accurately get a grasp of like what grade or just like their evaluation for the student. So our solution that we provided with the professor was a client-side JavaScript that helps track the recordings and it prevents, for example, skips. You can't go to the next to the questions without finishing the whole video. You can't fast forward the video. So it overall just helps enforce and help students really watch the videos and maybe pay attention to them, you know. Um, So the key outcome here was that the professor receives accurate, auditable, like editable metrics that he could then use after the students submit, for example. Students see the real-time feedback, for example, the results of their survey and then whatever the professor does with the information that he gathers. And there's really zero server install, so there's no hassle, no problem with anyone being able to use our solution.